Good Saturday morning, everybody. Here we are, 256 Garage. We're not at the shop this morning. We are doing yada yada, going to
such and such.
Yeah, yada yada, going to such and such to do some things over yonder. A little different than the norm. But let's see. What do we got a trailer behind us?
It's still back there.
I think you can, well, I can't get it zoomed in there. But what do we got on the trailer?
We got a really cool cargo today. Countertops.
Countertops. Huh?
Countertops.
My goodness, that trailer hauled anything on it. We got some countertops on the trailer. Uncle Backle's doing a little job. He does business with a guy back home. So the guy had him these countertops. We went and picked them up. We're going to deliver them to him today. We're going to go to a car show.
Cabin feeder car show.
Cabin feeder car show. Is it in Knoxville?
Knoxville.
In Knoxville. It's an indoor car show. Uncle Michael's done got the Chevelle inside. You know, we're just going to go do yada yada. Just have fun. Here's a little bit of the trip anyways. We're going through, we've been through Chattanooga.
Look over at that such and such.
Yeah. It's a FedEx building, is what that is.
Oh.
But we're going through Ooltewah now, ain't we?
Yeah, about to.
About to go through Ooltewah, Tennessee.
Get these slow pokes out of our way.
Traffic hasn't been too bad today, has it?
No, we made it pretty good.
So far. Traffic hasn't been too bad so far. But there's a little bit of our trip. Like I said, we'll try to do some recording when we get up there around the car show and stuff. But, as far as the weather goes, it's cold, but it's pretty. You know, the sun's peeking through the clouds there. No rain, wind ain't real bad, so in my book, that's pretty weather. Be nice if it was a little bit warmer, but we can't have everything. Just stay tuned. Here we are, we've arrived at the such and such to do yada yada.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yada yada. That's why you say yada yada, because you go da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Knoxville, Tennessee, here we are at the Cabin Fever.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a fucking car right there?
Yes, but then,
Yeah, it is old.
there's one that says it's sold. Got one of those sitting at home, tore apart. Well, would you like to have some of that stuff? Not at them prices, though. I love that right there.
Made their own logs.
I like this one. Yeah, that's one I like. I love that cab. I'd like to have one of them cabs as a rent truck. Here's one for Jason. 67 Fairlane 427 2.4. This is Jason's car here. The motor 482 straight. What's the Jason 66?
That body's got all I know.
Here we have made it to the, what is this, the Pizza Inn?
Yes.
Met up with Uncle Michael and his bunch. Hope my camera don't break after that on the end right there. You know, I'm glad I got to sit in That one JMR Odie brought to Collinsville.
Yeah.
I always want to have one.
Uh-huh. Look at that 69 Mach 1 up there. We hadn't seen that.
I did.
Oh, you did saw it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like it.
51 or 2 Ford. 52 Ford. That's the line we was working on when we left, ain't it?
Think it's the real deal.
I don't know.
Shifter in that. Leaning up there down a modern hill.
GT car. That air, it. Oh, I see it there. Yeah. It says Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson. I got it. Yeah, I see it now.
Over 100,000 of them.
Well, I imagine so. That's tiny.
Yeah, I know.
That's all right. Did you ever know that, Drake?
That's 100th anniversary in it.
No, it says Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson. Look.
There's over 100,000 of them in there.
I always thought it said 100th anniversary.
I like that.
Yeah, I guess I'm a cliche, but I thought it's probably.
You and about 250,000 other pictures. Oh.
header.
Put the header on there and get the chain that bugger in. Keep it from jumping out. You see, I was a little Spitfire.
Yeah.
We had a little orange one. That thing's as fun as all get out to drive, ain't they? Like a little go-kart.
That's how it all is,
Yeah. Well, we still got a piece of one. It's just sitting flat on. Yes. When we bought the one we got an orange one. We got a purple one. We bought an orange one. We got a purple one with it. Old parts car. So we still got it.
Okay.
Sitting there. Just rough old hull. But we enjoyed that orange one. Cobra, ain't it? Oh, there's my car. That's my car right there, son. Come on, man. Right colors, T-top, red inside. Look at all these carburetors, Drake.
I think it's
What do you think about
one per gear, ain't it?
One per gear.
First gear, second gear, third gear.
First gear, wah, wah, wah. Second gear, wah, wah, wah. Third gear, wah, wah, wah. That's a lot of gas for a Y block. That's a small block Chevrolet. Ain't a Y block.
They put them top covers in there trying to make it look like
It did look like one. That's what I thought it was at first. That and the oil film there. It made it good look like. I'm sorry. The same as the Torino Talladega. Got the same grill in it. Hey Drake, tell me about that car right there. You know anything about this car?
that. Yeah, it's the Holy Grail.
It's a what?
It's the Holy Grail of Chevelle. Well,
Chevelle.
Malibu's, yeah.
Yeah, Malibu. It's a Malibu. So
It's
don't get your story confused.
1 of 1 4-speed automatic.
4-speed automatic.
Yeah.
You mean it's got a turbo 350 with a 4-speed shifter?
Something like that. How many of them there? It almost, you know, I don't know that we've ever car sale.
If you don't mind, ma'am, don't lean on the car. Don't touch the vehicles.
It's my vehicle.
Do you wash it?
Yeah.
She
I
ain't
sleep
even-
in it. I sleep in it. I slept in leather. This leather
Is that real?
Yeah.
Is that genuine pleather?
Yeah. But it's made out of.
Hey, did you buy this car new? Have you owned it since it's new?
I've owned it since it's brand new.
I tell, it looks like you have. 66, that means you born in 56? No, Lord, you have to be born 46.
46.
I
what's that Mustang right there got in it? That other one over there's got one of those Chrysler Hemi blocks. Race engine thing. Do what?
I said they're running in that radial outlaws. They're not like
That there ain't got radials on it. Oh yeah. I don't know what that's got in it. It's got an LS on fishing to elite film.
Last the other day.
Look at this new model here. This must be a Biden model.
Yeah.
This thing got a Hemi in it. Have we not been over there? Trade a few times. We have to talk over the radio so YouTube don't cancel our videos. If you don't own the rights to the song or something, if it picks up the music on there, even though we're not intentionally recording it.
Here we are, 256 Garage, leaving the
Cabin Fever.
Cabin Fever. That's what it was.
Cabin
Yada,
Fever car show.
yada yada.
Yada yada. Yeah.
And we're walking the parking lot. I don't know if you can see, there's a few things parked in the parking lot with for sale signs on it. This truck may not have one. Not every one of them's got for sale, but a couple has. I don't see for sale on this one.
And I tried to get Drake to film it. I bought 2 screwdrivers. I thought that was the greatest thing, but he would not film it.
Well, they wouldn't. They're cobalt, okay? Can't brag about buying a cobalt screwdriver.
Not just a screwdriver, a pry bar.
He wouldn't buy the pliers with the thumb wrench, the flathead screwdriver, and the pry bar all built in one. But like, there's 2
You gotta get that.
for sale.
Show what kind of deal that red one we have.
Here's a Corvette. It's only a mere $14,000. If you're interested, there's a phone number. Well, it makes our red one for a little over 20 look cheap. Oh,
How much a Trans Am?
there you have it. We had a good time. Time to get back to Alabama though. Cool. There's 2 more for sale. I believe you can buy the whole rig. I know the red truck had for sale in the window. Little Fairlane had for sale. Convertible. 66, I believe. Can't remember what the tail lights they had. That's the only way I can tell the difference. Tail lights. Square body for sale. $67. First got 67 tail lights in it.